Hello everyone, my name is Catherine and today I am going to be trying this string art thing. I've got a block of wood that I have glued some paper down onto and I've let this glue dry. It is actually really kind of important if you're going to be gluing down a paper background to let the glue dry, because if the paper's still wet when you're trying to put nails through it, you are going to end up like with a rippy, wet, papery, pulpy mess. So really do let it dry. It's hard to be patient, but you've got to. I am going to be doing, like I said, string art. So the first thing that I'm going to do is glue down this calligraphy word that I wrote that says star. I wrote it on a separate piece of paper because I wanted to make sure that I didn't mess it up. I wanted to make sure that it was the size that I wanted, and if you write on a separate piece of paper first, then if you do mess it up, all you have to do is start over. But if you've glued a bit of paper down as a background to your board already, and then you write on that board, if you mess it up, you are just out of luck. So do practice safe crafting, everybody. Make sure to use your standard precautions when doing things like writing words. Also, make sure to spell check. Alright, glue it down, stick it down really well, make sure I get it all the way out to the edges, because that is going to be important for making sure that you get a good seal and making sure that it's not terribly noticeable that you've stuck another paper down to it. Then what we are going to do is we're going to take some nails and stick them in at the points of a star, and then take some embroidery floss and wrap it around those. So I'm going to speed it up now, and I will check back in with you once I'm done. Well, there we have it. That was harder to do than I originally anticipated, and I was thinking about going like just a string everywhere route, but then when I ended up with this star in the middle, I'm like, you know what? No, I'm gonna stop it there. That is what I did today, you guys. If you liked it, definitely let me know. If this makes you want to subscribe to my channel, go with that feeling. That is a good feeling. And I will see you guys next time. Or, well, later at least. I think I'm going to be doing another one of these. So I will see you guys later. Bye.